These Etsy designs are blowing up. And if you are missing out on what specific styles are working for the summer, you're going to be missing out on huge opportunities to make sales for 4th of July. So in today's video, I want to walk you through the exact styles that are doing extremely well and how I was able to take this design right here and reimagine this for the 4th of July, all using a very simple prompt. I'm going to share this all with you coming up next. Now, there are a lot of top trending designs we see to sell well on Etsy, but one of the ways I find these top designs is using a tool called Listing View. Listing View is a great tool to use if you are trying to figure out what products are selling well, how many sales they made in the last 24 hours or the last month, and if that niche is worth your time. With there being so many products on Etsy, you definitely want to make sure you focus on the designs and styles that are currently working. I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below so you can get started yourself taking all of this data and start making sales online with Etsy. Now, with that being said, we're going to jump into Listing View because we're going to find some designs within the summer niche that is doing extremely well. So I'm heading over to the main page here, and I simply want to put in my niche. And our topic today is going to be summer PNG. Now, this works best even if you're selling digital products or physical products. I believe starting as a PNG for your data research, this is where all of the top trends first show up on Etsy. So if you're looking to sell coffee mugs or t-shirt products print on demand, I still think you need to start looking at PNG results because, again, that's where these top trends are first going to be visible. So here we are in Listing View. I searched up summer PNG, and you can see a ton of these designs on the left hand side. Now, this is extremely helpful because you're able to see automatically what is doing well in regards to the design, but Listing View give us some more data for us to really make our decision well in regards to what style we focus on. And I can see over here the shop name, the monthly sales, the monthly revenue, which is all great things to look at. But one of the things Listing View gives us that really helps our research to be very fast and very simple is that they have this score here where you can see 4x, 2x, 6x, and so forth. And this let us know within this shop how well this listing has done compared to the other listings within that same shop. That means that if this listing has done 6 times better than the other listings in the same shop, that means this is a top product, a top style we definitely want to incorporate with our listing. So this makes it extremely easy for you just not to find winning products, but even with inside of a shop, you can see how well this product has done. I can open this up and Listing View a little bit further to see some additional information, like all of the titles and tags going down to the bottom. But I can also see how well this product has done in the short amount of time that it was listed. And being that this is a recently released product, haven't really been on the market, not even 30 days, this has done extremely well with sales and will continue to do extremely well with sales. It's doing so well because it's following this popular design style I have seen to do well all over Etsy, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. And here's some data just to prove this to you. I have seen this type of product to do well, this type of strip type of design that is really basic but still doing extremely well. I find this to do well with text in regards to popular phrases for whatever niche is focusing on. And this example is talking about the summer niche here. I found this design to do well also, bringing in popular phrases and elements as well. 13 people bought this in the last 24 hours. Definitely a top trend you want to focus on. Here is another design that we talked about as well that has done extremely well, but this is bringing in more so of a custom design. So as you can see, all of these really have a ton of things in common. They have text on it and they have some type of line background in the design. And again, I was able to find all of these using Listing View because it made it very simple to see, again, how well this product has done in this shop alone. Like this example here did 27 times better than the other listings within the same shop. And this is how we were able to find this design as well. This has sold so well. It's following that same exact layout, the same popular trend with the line in the background of the design and text and elements right on top of it. And again, we can go back in the data and see even further how well this has done. So extremely helpful. If you want to check out Listing View, once again, I'll make sure I put the information down in my description box below. So with Listing View, we were able to find all of these designs. I think all of these have done extremely well. Here are some other summer type of trending designs I was able to find that sell well as well on Etsy. But what I really want to focus on in this design video is talking about this type of design here that has clearly done well, even with this style here. Now, I'm going to share with you a very easy way how I was able to recreate this using a very simple prompt to get this type of design. As you can see, came out extremely well. But one thing I want to teach here so that you understand how to design products is that we don't want to make a carbon copy of what's already here. We don't want to compete with this same design that's already here, focusing on a popular crab type of element with a popular crab type of phrase for the same niche that is for summertime. My strategy is to look at all this data like we did with listing view, take what is selling well and think about what is coming up in the next few months or the next few weeks that we definitely want to focus on. And I know that after the summertime is here, what's going to follow that, it's going to be Father's Day, it's going to be 4th of July. So I definitely want to take what is working here and apply into a new niche that can sell well, and that is no competition at all. And that's how I was able to get this result here, because there's nothing in the 4th of July niche like it, because we looked at what worked in the past and we applied it to what we can do in the future. This is a custom built tool I built with inside of my Etsy membership community. So if you're struggling with learning how to create AI designs or how to even sell your products well on Etsy, I give you creative tools, but also my membership community where you get coaching, you get classes, and you get daily prompts. So we're going to jump into my Remix Studio here, and you'll see why this is so powerful. The Remix Studio uses something that most don't, and we use a reference image. Now, again, we're not here to copy, but we are here to give Creative Prompt AI the overall style we're looking for. And so we put in this top selling product here, and we selected the t-shirt pre-prompt, which again saves us so much time. If you struggle with creating long and lofty prompts and the results are still not what you're looking for, Creative Prompt is the way to go. So we use the pre-prompt design for a t-shirt. We select our background to be white, and check out this very simple prompt I was able to use to get this design. All I said was change design to fit the themes and colors of a 4th of July design, and change the element of the crab to be something related to 4th of July. Notice here I didn't tell Creative Prompt the type of phrase I want or the type of colors I want or picking out specific colors. I told it the overall niche I'm focused on. I changed out the crab element to be something related to 4th of July. Again, I didn't tell it what element to choose, but it was smart enough to know my niche, to know the phrases in my niche, the colors, as well as the elements, which are all essential to selling well on Etsy. So using our reference image of this crab here, we can see by putting in a very simple prompt, here is the results we were able to get. And I think this is an easy win in my opinion. We can see that the elements has worked out well for our niche. The colors worked out well for our niche. And it still brought in that strip background that we found to sell extremely well on Etsy. All the phrases tie into our niche, as we can see here. And again, it took that overall style of our original design and placed it forward into a new niche where we can sell well there. I think this is an easy win and an easy game changer in my humble opinion. So again, if you want to get access to all of this, I'll make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below so you can follow along with me and start creating these type of products yourself. Now, if you want to know another step that can help you sell well on Etsy, check out this next video here and subscribe to my channel to learn more. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.